So another really awesome feature that I came up with was I found myself constantly having like trade ideas where I'd see like a tweet or I'd see a trade pop up on the flow, um, and I would forget about it. And at the time of me seeing it, I'm like, man, like that really looks like something worth looking into. And then by the time that I can remember it, I'm already seeing tweets or headlines about the position that I wanted to enter into that already played out. And it's a really frustrating thing to deal with because I think many people also suffer from the same dilemma. There's just so much information. There's so many headlines. There's so many, oddball, trades that someone spots and then talks about. And then before you know it, the move happens and you start kicking yourself over it because you should have been in on it, but you forgot. And so that inspired me to create a very simple but elegant way to manage these ideas. And this is done through my bookmarks. So this page right here, really simple. There's some UI or user interface things that I have to add and clean up with. But put simply, this is a way that you can organize your thoughts and even notify yourself in the future to go back and look at. So the way that you navigate through this is you have, oops. So you go to your My Bookmarks, and so here you have, all of your folders and whatnot. To create a new folder, you just click down here, and then we'll just do this as, video ideas. You can customize the color and whatnot. So now here I have this new folder just for video ideas. If I go to my flow, okay, so maybe this SPY put $400 strike. We're seeing 11,000 in daily volume, 30,000 in premium. For some reason, this sticks out to me, right? I can add this to my unusual shorts, or I can put it into my video ideas because we're making a video. And so after I do that, I can go back to my bookmarks and go to my video ideas folder, and there it is. I can click view right here. And unfortunately, it's not working right this second, but it'll show where you actually bookmarked that, like what point in time, and then the strike price and the price that it was trading at when that trade was actually traded. So now you can actually go back and see, like, okay, maybe you're building up, you're trying to train your brain around spotting, unusual long opportunities. Well, now you have a way that you can effectively do this in a very organized and easy fashion. I mean, literally, you do what you normally do, right? You go to your flow, and once it loads, there it is. It literally just hover and click. That's it. There's no. That's it. It's that easy. You hover and you click, and that's it. So it's a really simple way to just effectively, document your thoughts and ideas. And there's even automated backtesting as well. So if you bookmark something, you can have it set up to say, okay, what was the price of it, a day later, a week later, and effectively use that to train your intuition and to see if you're actually spotting the right trades.